41 is your favorite boy, JG Techno. I know I look like shit, I look like a tomato, but let's get into the video. Let's go. Pretty much this video is just about products I would recommend if you're building a PC. I'm just getting straight to the point, and that is the first product we're gonna hit is ASUS. ASUS have some tier list, they have Prime, they have Tough, they have Strix, and they have Creator Series. What are the difference between them? Well, it's the price, it's the quality, and what you get for the money. Features and so on, but here's how: Prime is the cheapest, Tough is the next, Strix is the highest, and then we have the Creators, where it's a little bit between Tough and Strix, because they're not focusing on people that go for high extremely game modeboards, but more on the creator side with content creation, doing heavy network loading and so on. Second product, MSI. Why is MSI? Because it's a great product, good reliability. Fuck you, table, sorry to say that. Can be a pricey side, but can also be on the cheaper side, depends on what you pick and what you're going for. And of course, the white color is always more expensive, but it makes sense. Gotta pay some premium for that white shit. And overall, just a great product. Third one is Corsair. Corsair can be cheap, but also expensive, but overall, good products. You get what you get for the money, and good bang for the buck, of course. Fucking looking amazing if you ask me. Corsair looking amazing products. They make PC cases. They are so easy to build and toolless, and really just great starter cases to use if you're new to the PC world. They have fans, an RGB and CPU coolers, looking amazing, great performance. Cable management can be a little bit annoying to side if you use some of the cheapest. If you go for some of the newer Corsair IQ stuff, it's actually pretty easy and very less cable cluttering and cable management. But if you go for a little bit cheaper side, the older versions, you need a lot of cable, you need a lot of controllers. They also make RAMs. The RAMs they make are beautiful, good looking, best RAM ever. Just overall, Corsair, great product. Come to the Lian Li doesn't make motherboards, doesn't make GPU coolers, but they make cases, also make CPU coolers. And what they're known for is looking really awesome. The goddamn fish tank from O11 Dynamic with the PC case, very great and really popular because it's easy to build it, toolless, and just very spacious. You can put a lot of hardware in there and you can make it look really beautiful and show off your PC. But the case are a little bit on the pricey side, but they are great price when it comes to their coolers, their fans, and overall cable management. Very easy with Lian Li versus Corsair. Corsair, Lian Li, very good cable management, easy to use, easy to plug in, not a lot of cable needed. Come to the Gigabyte. Gigabyte makes graphics cards cooler, they make motherboards, they make power supplies as well, but they make a lot of stuff. Okay, they make a lot of stuff, of course. They also have some tier lists. They have Gigabyte Gaming, or Gigabyte is the lowest. They have Aorus, that's the highest tier list you can go in their product line up, different SKUs, different products. They have the Vision, that's just all plain as white theme, but in the middle of Gigabyte Gaming, Gigabyte, and Aorus, and have a little bit premium. You gotta pay a little bit extra. Think about versus Gigabyte. You gotta pay a little bit extra for the white, and also have actually some more features, just more power overall. And Gigabyte Gaming is a bit on the cheaper side, but overall Gigabyte makes some great, awesome products, and you get a really good bang for the buck versus ASUS, MSI. But those are the 5 products I would recommend to you if you're looking into building a PC or just want to build a PC but don't know where the fuck do I start at. If you did, of course, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below what other idea I should post on this channel. And the notification bell so you don't miss awesome news, bangers, content, videos, and so on this amazing channel. JG Techno is signing out. Peace out, much love. Bye. Peace.